Hey YouTube. So this is going to be a multi-part video of me talking about my build and my Ruger Mark IV Tactical 22 LR pistol. It's not really an unboxing video, but I just want to show. I just got this yesterday. Let's take it out. I have lots of plans for this pistol. I'm going to put a lot of new parts in. I got a red dot already, a new mount, got a light I plan on getting, 4 quarts in internals, and eventually I want to get a silencer as well. So I'm thinking maybe 4 parts. This is part 1, just talking about the pistol. A few things already that I know I want to change is this gun has a magazine disconnect. So notice safety's off, however, the gun does not go off because of the magazine disconnect. The trigger pull is pretty good. But I want to try the 4 quarts in and see how I like it. For the red dot, I'm going to have a direct mount. It's pretty inefficient to have the rail and then I have the red dot with a Picatinny clamp. You know, you have 2 extra surfaces you don't really need. So I plan on changing that out. I want to have this as a, I want to have a LAM. So what I mean by that is a laser aiming module, maybe like a Streamlight VAR. Pretty expensive light, you know, $200+ just for a light, but that's something I plan on getting. But besides that, you know, red dot, light, silencer eventually, and 4 quarts and ports. That's really about it. Black target sights. One thing to keep in mind is these rails are removable. You see the screws, they hold them in. You take this off and then you can just replace the screws back in so there's no holes in your slide. So these rails are easily removable. Take them on, take them off. That's a nice feature. Because it does look pretty bulky as it is with the rails top and bottom. But keep in mind, you can take that off. And with extra safety on both sides. However, for me as a right-handed shooter, notice how it's kind of impeding and poking in to my grip when I have a high grip in. So Ruger does have a delete kit. What I'm probably going to do is delete the safety. I don't ever plan on really needing to shoot this ambidextrously in terms of using the safety. Because even if I am shooting this left-handed, it's not much of a big deal to maybe reach up and sweep it down. So, because it definitely bothers me every time. But yeah, quick video. I'll show a little bit of me shooting this as it was configured. But just stay tuned. Just leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to see my multi-part video series of me tacking out my Ruger Mark IV Tactical 22 pistol. Thanks for watching.